This is $250,000, and in just a moment, I'm going to show you how you can get a cut of it for free.
There's a special event coming up that's backed by major trading titans and businesses,
where I'm going to reveal how you can see massive profits in the stock market no matter what's happening in the next couple months. And if you click here to register for free, you'll be entered for a chance to win one or more of the $250,000 worth of prizes they'll be giving out at this event, and my trading and investment strategies that have proven their ability to generate massive profits in any market environment. And now I love to help you do the same. That's why I'm giving you the special invitation to attend the Wealth365 Summit. It's the largest online trading and investing summit in the world. And the best part? It's completely free. You won't have to pay a single cent to access my trading and investing strategies, which I'll be unveiling exclusively at this event. These are the strategies that I've never revealed before. They're designed to both help you better navigate the current stock market volatility and to take advantage of it to quickly grow your own portfolio or retirement account. Click here right now so you don't miss on this exclusive chance to market-proof your portfolio and grow your personal wealth no matter what happens in the stock market. These strategies could be the key to generating the kind of wealth that will secure your retirement, pay off your debts, and let you travel the world on your own terms.
That's not all, because I'll also be joined by 60+ prestigious thought leaders and experts in the financial, real estate, and business entrepreneurship industries.
Combined, these leaders are responsible for generating billions, that's with a B, billions of dollars. And they'll be sharing their own personal insights on how to best navigate these volatile market conditions. You'd normally have to pay thousands to hear these experts speak, yet you won't have to pay a single penny to get their top trading and investment strategies at the Wealth365 Summit.
If you click here right now to secure your spot now, you'll have the chance to gain insight that could make you a fortune in the years to come, completely free, and from the comfort of your own home. What could be better? This is an event you can't afford to miss. Just take a look at what previous attendees have said about the Wealth365 Summit.
Amy from Los Angeles, California, only attended 3 or 4 sessions, yet was able to discover one great idea that transformed her trading, potentially helping her make more consistent, profitable trades that work in any type of market.
I've taken away at least one great idea that I believe will absolutely change my trading going forward, Amy from Los Angeles, California said. Donna from Houston, Texas, discovered new strategies and tools that could easily help her make more money. And Mauro from Bergamo, Italy, loved how the strategies and insights he discovered could even help novice traders generate amazing profits.
Now is the best time to start taking your financial future into your own hands.
And with the elections coming up, it's almost a sure bet that the market volatility will follow. The only question now is, will you be ready to take advantage of it?
That's why you should click here to discover the new stock market strategies and insights that could help set you up making profit in the years to come. Again, it's completely free. You can attend this while wearing your PJs on the couch. So what's stopping you? Don't miss out on this thousands of dollars worth of stock market insights. Click here now to register, and I'll see you at the summit.